Dear students of class 9, this is the next or third math test for you, basing on the chapter what we discussed already in the uploaded videos. Guess the chapter, which is this chapter? It is none other than the chapter midpoint theorem. We have discussed thoroughly in the earlier videos. The chapters you have seen, you have gone through the videos. I hope all of you understood. Now welcome to the math test 3. Questions now basing on that. You can see the question. Use the following figure to find figure to find BC if AB is equal to 7.2 cm, GE if FE is equal to 4 cm, AE if BD is equal to 4.1 cm, and DF if CG is equal to 11 cm. Okay. Next question 2. In the figure given below, 2AD is equal to AB, P is midpoint of AB, Q is midpoint of DR, and PR is parallel to BS. Prove that first bit AQ parallel to BS, second bit DS is 3RS. Okay. Next question, the next question of the slide. L and M are the midpoints of the sides AB and DC respectively of a parallelogram ABCD. Prove that segments DL and BM trisect the diagonal AC. Next question. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. E, F, G and H are the midpoints of AB, BD, CD and AC respectively. Prove that EFGH is a rhombus. Okay. Next question of this slide. D and F are the midpoints of the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC. A line through F and parallel to AB meets BC at E. Prove that BDFE is a parallelogram. Second bit, find AB if EF is equal to 4.8 centimeter. If you draw the figure, you can understand because it is also discussed. Next question. In triangle ABC, AD the median and DE drawn parallel to the side B meets AC at point E, so that BE is also a median. Next question. In triangle ABC, E is midpoint of the median AD and BE produced meets the side AC at point Q, so that BE is to EQ is equal to 3:1. Now, the next question of this slide. In triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of side AB and BC respectively. Also, FE is a point in the side AC, so that DF parallel to BC. Prove that first bit DBEF is a parallelogram. Second bit, find the perimeter of the parallelogram DBEF if AB is 10 cm, BC is 8.4 cm and AC is 12 cm. Next question. PQRS are the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD, DA respectively of rhombus ABCD, so that PQRS is a rectangle. Now next question also there. Under what condition will the PQRS be a square? Clear? This is the last question of the video. In the given figure, M is the midpoint of AB and DE, whereas N is midpoint of BC and DF, so that EF is equal to AC. Dear children, the questions given basing on that what you learned in the before videos, and questions are simple. You have to draw the figure and go through the before the videos presented before you. Just read again, practice little, then come to this test. Sit for with a notebook, use to write, draw the figure, and use time, because 10 questions there, minimum you require 1 hour to answer these questions. Therefore, don't be disturbed in middle. So sit for 1 hour, work out. If any doubt still you have in your mind, then you can give in the comment box, so that I will go through and I will take necessary precautions. If you like this video, you can share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.